very remorseful. I do feel terrible for what happened to my husband and this entire ordeal. It has been extremely hard. Seeing everything, hearing everything, you know, being away from my child, it has been extremely hard. Moving forward, I just want to be able to heal, watch my husband heal, be able to continue to raise my daughter, and continue to get the counseling that I need.
Okay, anything else? Anything else, counsel?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, the court has formulated a decision based upon the overriding principles and purposes of felony sentencing, which are to protect the public from future crime by the defendant or others, and to punish the offender using the minimum sanctions that the court determines accomplishes those purposes without imposing an unnecessary burden on state or local government resources. To achieve these purposes, the court has considered the need for incapacitation, deterrence, rehabilitation, and providing for restitution. The court has considered the relevant sentencing guidelines provided in 29-29-11, 29-29-12, 29-29-13, as well as 29-29-19. I have considered the previous criminal history. I've considered the thoughts of the named victim in this matter, and also the length of time that you've already served here in county jail. Given that the court at this time finds that a community control sanction will adequately protect the public and will not demean the seriousness of the offense, it is therefore ordered the defendant is sentenced to 2 years of community control under the supervision of the Adult Probation Department Domestic Violence Unit with the following conditions. You're to abide by all rules and regulations of the Probation Department. Report weekly for 3 months and every 2 weeks thereafter. Attend domestic violence programming as determined by probation officer. Attend additional programming as indicated in case plan. You are ordered to pay a monthly supervision fee of $20. Random drug testing, conditions and terms of probation are subject to modification by the probation officer with approval of the court. Based on the named victim's wishes, I will vacate the no contact order at this time. I'm going to caution you, Ms. Walters. Despite what your husband said, I do take this very seriously. And your lawyer indicating to the court that there were previous domestic violence issues that you're going through, that doesn't encourage me a whole lot. It means there's a problem here, that you were stabbing your husband or that there were issues beforehand. So the domestic violence probation hopefully will give you counseling and give you some resources. I don't know whether both of you need that or just you or whatever the circumstances are. But something's not working if you're stabbing your husband. You understand that? If you violate the rules and conditions of the supervision, I do reserve a 4-year sentence at the Ohio State Reformatory for Women. You understand?
Yes.
So we're not going to have any further incidents. I'm not going to impose any other fines. You are responsible for your court costs. You were retained counsel, is that correct?
Yes.
All right, you'll be responsible for the court costs. You'll be ordered released per those conditions. Is there anything else from the state?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Anything else, counsel?
No, Your Honor.
All right, report to the probation.